Hey everybody, welcome to Techie World. Today we're gonna go over 10 car mods under $25. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most amazing gadgets I've ever seen. Customizing your car can be a pricey task. It can also be time-consuming. Sometimes accessories that are easy to use and cheap can be a little gimmicky or tacky. If you're looking to spice things up for your ride, or if you're looking for useful accessories that don't break the bank, try these 10 accessories under $25. If you own a new high-end car, chances are you won't be needing most of these gizmos, but if you don't, a touch of modern functionality can be crucial for your safety and comfort along the way. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. An expandable hanger bar to finally organize that messy closet in your back seat, High Road has been designing quality, innovative car organizers from offices in Maine since 1990. The car clothes bar is no exception. Made from tubular steel with rubberized no-slip sleeves, it's strong enough to hold up to 30 pounds of weight. Durable steel bar adjusts from 35 to 59 inches long to fit most vehicles, installs in minutes, simply place and hook over a grab bar or turn for garment hook. A rubberized and patterned sleeve with dividers keeps hangers from sliding. We love our pets, but they can also be a hazard to us when driving. Keep a friendly barrier between yourself and your furry friend, especially on those long car trips. Protect your pet and keep your front seat clean with the Auto Pet Barrier. This lightweight barrier can effectively protect your pet from launching forward during quick stops. The barrier also keeps the front seat clean from pet hair and dander. The two handy front pockets provide convenient storage for your passengers. The barrier is made with claw-proof durable polyester and a wire mesh see-through window. Sizing at 27.5 inches into 24 inches, the universally fit barrier can be used with most cars. Installation is nearly instant, and it can easily fold for convenient storage. Holding your phone for directions is a huge hazard, and some people don't want a clunky GPS-style phone holder in their car. This small accessory can keep you safe while following directions. The clips are adjustable. The max opening wide is 76mm, perfect fits for 4.8 inches, mobile's elastic fixation design. With the elastic fixation rubber band, the size of steering wheel won't affect the installation. Easy installation, no need for extra tools, just a few seconds to finish it. The device is highly compact with the steering wheel, can be moved freely with no security risk. The device is embedded with a soft silicone ad, which protects your phone from scratching. When taking a longer trip, a warm cup of coffee or tea can come in handy. In case there are not that many places to stop on the way to get a cup of coffee or tea, it's convenient to have your own right there in your car. This smart travel mug is a stainless steel water boiler and heater, which means you can either keep your beverage warm or make a new one with the same mug if you're on a camping trip or holiday. It can fit in most compartments in the car and uses the cigarette lighter socket as a source of power. Double-layered 304 stainless steel vacuum-insulated food-grade silicone surface prevents hands from burning. Durable, heat and scratch-resistant sealed rubber ring design will not leak water when placed upside down, suitable for easy carrying. This universal car back seat hook is specially designed to hang groceries, clothes, umbrellas, handbags, water bottles, kids' toys, baby supplies, and much more. A set of car headrest hooks you can use to keep purses, book bags, and even grocery bags within reach. Directly snap the hook onto the pole of the headrest due to the side opening design, suitable for poles with 0.4 to 0.6 inch diameter. The silicone rubber part makes hooks firmly stay on the headrest pole. No need to take down the headrest. Easily snap the hook without adhesives or tools. Super durable ABS and silicone rubber, ensuring a long time to use. Rotate the hook out when used. Rotate hook inward when not used. Very convenient to use. A license plate bottle opener that's perfect for a day at the beach or popping open your favorite sparkling water before work. Simple and convenient bottle opener mounts to upper license plate attachment, fits all Jeep Wrangler, JL, JK, and TJ models 1997 and later. Flush attachment screw makes this kit the easiest to use opener on the market. Flush attachment screw makes this the easiest to use opener on the market. If you're a dog, cat owner, you know the struggle of shedding. This American Kennel Club seat cover can save you the mess. The American Kennel Club Pet Car Seat Cover was designed to protect your back seat from the dirt and scratches from your dogs. It's a hammock-style car seat cover that protects your rear seat and the back of the front seats. It's made from extra durable Oxford fabric with adjustable straps and quick-release buckles, so it comes out as easily as it goes in. It fits all standard cars and most SUVs and has an opening to fit most car pet seats and harnesses. The straps go around the headrests in the back seat and behind the headrests of the front seat and hang to cover the upholstery. Adjustable straps allow it to tighten to stay in place, but also allows the cover to change size enough to fit different cars. Buckles keep the cover in place for the ride, but release it quickly to remove it quickly. A hilarious power plug cap that'll make your bestie think twice about riding shotgun, Ejectocito Cus. This eject button replica is sure to get some attention. The eject button has played a pretty cool role in movies. Now you too can have your own eject button. This 12-volt accessory plugs into most vehicles. Red with silver eject lettering, it's sure to catch your unsuspecting passenger. It sure is fun with a passenger who has no idea what that could be. Universal design fits all vehicles with a standard 12-volt power source. It's the best replacement piece for your old or broken ones and will fit most car models. This is a functional cigarette lighter button. It features metal and plastic construction and a built-in heat-resistant ceramic protector. Ever got into the car on a sunny day only to find the interior hotter than a sauna? Everyone has experienced the oven-like environs of a car's interior after the sun has been beating down on it for a few hours. The burning hot seats and steering wheel, the dense and humid air that causes you to break out in a sweat and always takes too long to dissipate. To say nothing of the longer-term damage to your car's dashboard and console. Well, the M-Auto Sunshade prevents just this. Regular sunshades block up to 99.5% of harmful UV rays and up to 80% of solar energy. M-Auto uses double-layer protection, unlike the single layer commonly found in the market, to reduce the temperature by 30 to 50 Fahrenheit. These cool sunshades are not permanent enough to regret, but fun enough to enjoy. Made in different moods for all types of car enthusiasts, the perfect accessory for all car lovers, whether you drive a truck, sedan, or sports car. Count on M-Auto Sunshade to create a more comfortable driving experience, protect your vehicle, and even save you a bit of change. A do-it-yourself car molding strip so you can quickly dress up your vehicle's interior in the coolest way. Unique function molding trim strip flexible shape to decorate your car interior trim, waterproof, isolator noise, corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, wear resistance, anti-aging, UV resistance. The car interior molding trim decor strip decorative line equipped with specialized installation tools, yellow mounting scraper helps you install more easily. Car trim enduring character color embedded mounted in your car interior trim and will not cause damage to the car surface. Super flexible, beautify the appearance and stickers interior car. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the following videos here.